I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a hull suited to treasure runs, stability over speed. Once chosen, measure cargo and crew capacity. Make a parts list with exact quantities and budgets. Get basic tools now, saw, drill, clamps, so you don't stall mid-build. Sketch a simple lines plan and mark bulkhead locations. This prevents guesswork later. Make sure to buy 1/2 plywood and enough epoxy to coat fiberglass seams, because sealing is where seaworthiness begins. You build the frame next. Lay out stations, check diagonals, and brace temporary strongbacks. Once frames are true, fit hull panels and clamp carefully. Short misalignments compound quickly. Fasten with stainless screws and fillet seams using mixed epoxy. This bonds and fills gaps. After filleting, apply fiberglass cloth with full wet out. That creates the structural skin. Allow proper cure times and sand between coats, because a weak layup is the most common failure at sea. You finish by installing bulkheads, flotation foam, deck hardware, and secure cargo locks for treasure runs. Balance matters, so place heavy items low and central. Paint and anti-foul protect the hull, then conduct a shallow water test to confirm buoyancy and watertight integrity. If you find a leak, dry the area, sand to clean glass, apply epoxy patch and cloth, then cure before retesting. One tip: if flex or cracking appears, reinforce with an additional fiberglass layer along the weak.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.